When game day rolls around, you need good food to fuel the fans, and one of our newest KSL teammates knows a thing or two about that. Morning news reporter Caitlin Burchill is owning our Studio 5 kitchen today. We are so glad to have you.
That's a bold statement.
Oh, no,
owning.
we are. Yeah, owning. Can you just take over and make this happen? Can I share the first time I met you?
Yes, please.
Okay, so I'm like 20 months pregnant, okay, pretty much.
Okay.
And I'm going down the hallway in our editing department, which is really narrow, as you know.
Tiny.
There's not, yeah. And usually when people are going through the editing department, they're in a hurry because they're on deadline, right? So I'm like lumbering 20 months pregnant through the editing department, and I hear someone coming, so naturally I just like become one with the wall and step back. And Caitlin comes tearing through and immediately like got in my baby bubble, gave me a big hug, threw out some nice compliments, which flattery gets you everywhere, and I was immediately sold on you. You are so kind.
Please, you're fabulous. The energy, you know, you're just
Just so bubbly. You wake up at what time?
2:30 every morning.
2:30 every morning, but that energy helps wake us up. So give us some background. Where are you from, girlfriend?
So I am from right outside of Boston, near Gillette Stadium. So that's why I was like, I had to represent my New England Patriots.
Yeah, look at your t-shirt.
I know, I had to wear my shirt.
Sporting it.
So I was like, we'll make the Hail Mary chili. And I'm not a great cook. I love doing it, but I'm always hungry. And I work weird hours, so I like need to go home at 1 and have dinner. Like I eat dinner at like 2 or 3.
Yeah, you're ready for the heavy stuff.
I'm ready
early
for
in
the
day.
heavy stuff at like, I have lunch at 7 a.m. So I'm all whacked out. So this is awesome. You just like throw it in a crock pot and you just leave it.
Are your family football fans as well?
Huge.
Yeah.
So yeah, well, we're huge Boston sports fans, I should say. I grew up in a big hockey family. Huge hockey.
Who are we seeing?
That's my family. So that's my mom, who is like my best friend in the entire world. She gave me this recipe. She stole it from somebody, I think. And that's us growing up. And was I made for the camera? Like seriously, I'm such a diva. Look at me.
Is that where the nickname the Birch was developed?
The Birch. So Birch, Birchie. I played college sports, so I always had a nickname. So it's weird to hear Caitlin. That usually meant I was getting in trouble growing up. Like Caitlin Ann, what did you do now?
So when Andrew and Lori say Caitlin Burchill, you say, wait, what did I do?
It perks me up a little bit. I'm like, oh no, what did I do now? So yeah. So this is one of the things we always would get together. We didn't really go to the games per se. You'd kind of avoid traffic in the area.
Yeah.
We just gather together. We had a big family, big meals, really loud.
I love it.
As you can imagine.
Loud, you?
Shocking.
Shocker.
Shocking.
All right, what do you have going here?
Okay, you want to finish this up for me?
Please,
so we're just browning some turkey meat, and I try to make it healthier. So I would like drain that once it's all set. And then we literally, like a Hail Mary, just throw things in.
This is Hail Mary chili.
You like can't mess it up, although I made the prep one I made over there a little spicy. So
oh no.
I did kind of mess it up.
I was going to say the morning girls are bringing the heat. Yesterday, Shara made these pita chicken concoctions that were amazing.
Those look so
but
good.
they were hot. This kind of has some spice to it.
And literally we just toss, I mean, I can pass this to you if you want, or I can
go for it.
So these are just I mean, you can do it with anything, really, like any type of bean. So those are garbanzo, black beans, a little red.
Playing up the protein for us.
And then we have that turkey meat browning right now. And what's great is farmers markets. Like, you know, you want to buy everything there, but it's hard to use it all at once. So you just put it all in here.
This is whatever you got. Hail Mary, like you said.
Literally whatever you have. And what makes this different is you put a little of the tomato.
Here it comes, here it comes,
So this is different. It's sweeter. Like if you're a fan of that taco chili, it's not like that.
Okay.
I'm not a huge, you know, that taco, like spicy. This is sweet. Like you literally put ranch.
You almost said taco like a Bostonian right there.
Taco, wicked good. This is wicked good chili. So ranch dip and then a little barbecue. So if you want to help me put that in, that would be awesome.
Did you spice up your turkey?
You know what? I just put some garlic in it and a little salt and pepper. So, and you just dump, you know, whatever. I do two bottles. So
really?
Yeah, really. So maybe, so I'm sure, I mean, but you could really throw anything.
Yeah.
So easy.
Oh, there it goes.
I knew that was going to happen.
I'm sorry.
The glamour of live television.
Should have saved that sound for the commercial break. And ranch dressing?
Yeah, ranch dressing mix. And that gives it the sweetness. And then you just top it with a little cheese and avocado like Tom Brady would like. He loves his avocado.
Tell Tom, there it is. Okay. Do you cook though? You said you're not a great cook, but do you cook at home?
I really like to. It's just hard. So I'm single. I live alone, and I think it's really hard. Probably the same as having a big family, right? Like you never can have enough. Or with single, it's like, what do you do with all the food?
Right.
So this is awesome to freeze.
Nice.
I freeze it all the time. And what's great is like families could eat this all in one day, or you could save it.
Well, we're so glad you have to. Are you liking Salt Lake?
I'm loving it.
Yeah?
Yeah, I really am. I really am. Everyone's awesome. Wicked nice.
Nice.
Wicked
okay.
nice, so.
Story that you've done. Favorite story that stands out in your time. You've been here about 7 months, 8 months?
7, 8 months. You know what? I love doing the high fives and meeting just awesome people.
Isn't that fun?
Just so nice, so great. It's just fun, and everyone's so welcoming in Utah.
Yeah.
Which is, sometimes we're a little territorial in Massachusetts, you know, like this is our place, no one else can be here.
Yeah.
But everyone's welcoming
Wish
me.
you fit in there.
Oh.
From that bear hug in the editing pace there that you gave me right off the bat. And you see that energy in the morning as you greet those people with the high fives. So that is a perfect series suited for your personality. Thank you so much, Caitlin.
Thank you for having me. This was wicked fun.
Wicked. How many times have we said wicked?
So much.
Wicked fun. So much. Okay.